there! Welcome to our drawing tutorial. Today we will see how to draw a simple swan. So you can see that I'm using my thin black pen to draw a simple swan. Here's its long throat. And this is its head. Now I'm drawing its wings. Now let's draw its tail. Let's draw its eye. Here's its beak. My drawing is done. Now let's start coloring. I'm using my gray pen. In its beak, I'm using my red pen. To color the water, I'm using my cyan pen. Oh wow, it's looking amazing! Thank you so much for watching.